Are you looking for the best hair cutting scissors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hair cutting scissors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Equinox International Hair Cutting Scissors, Shears, Salon Styling Series. Designed for hair enthusiasts, barbers, personal usage, and salon workers, the Equinox International Barber Scissors is ideal for everyone. It weighs only 0.3 pounds, meaning you can handle it with much ease. Moreover, this pair of barber scissors comes in a beautiful blister package, which can make it an excellent gift idea. It also comes with a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. At number 4, Utopia Care Razor Edge Hair Cutting Scissors. Utopia Care only manufactures professional shears, and this razor edge hair cutting scissors is no exception. It is smooth and quiet, hence, will get the job done in a professional way. The scissor is perfect for cutting techniques: slide cuts, scissor over comb, layer cuts, and more. At number 3, Queentools Professional Hair Cutting Scissors. This professional hair cutting scissors from Queentools is very sharp, and it's exactly what you need to create great haircuts. It is a high-quality shear that's constructed with stainless steel for superior durability and longevity. It won't stop giving you the same razor-sharp cuts since first use. At number 2, Moser Salon Tools 6.0-inch Handle Scissors. This handmade 6-inch barber scissors from Mosher Salon Tools is ideal for barbers, salon workers, and anyone who loves to have great-looking haircuts. It is backed by 100% satisfaction guarantee, and this gives you peace of mind when you purchase and own the product. At number 1, Equinox International Barber Hair Cutting Scissors, Shear, Razor Edge Series. Equinox International is proud to introduce to you its finest hair cutting shears. This pair of scissors has a length of 6.5 inches, and this makes it easy to use as well as safe on men, women, babies, and even the elderly. Furthermore, it weighs just 4.8 pounds, so expect it to be easily handled by anyone. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.